talk about airflow, and this is new course I'm going to start. And since this is I'm learning, so you guys can learning with me together. This is just so airflow is an open source workflow management platform. So it's basically workflow management. So workflow is basically what is workflow. Workflow is a combination of tasks. So it's kind of dependency. One finish, then other one will come. It started Airbnb October 2014. Solution managed to company incredible complex workflow, creating Airflow allowed to be an Airbnb programmably authored to schedule their workflow and monitor via the built-in Airflow interface. Airflow can be described as a platform of defining, executing, and monitoring workflow. A workflow can be defined any sequence step taken to accomplish particular goal. Imagine that your company there is a jobs to copy log data from machine and upload into S3. The second map reduce jobs, read log data from the S3 buckets and component anomaly detect easy too many logins and write them out of STFS location. And finally, third job will read the output of the second jobs and the insert into the relational database. Such a pipeline is a common occurrence of the enterprise. One of challenges faced by growing big data, their use case has been ability to stick together related jobs end-to-end workflow. The tool is choice describing workflow before Airflow execution was the Uzi, but come with own limitation. Gradually, over this year, Airflow has overtaken Uzi in the popularity for creating complex workflow. So this is the complex workflow. So run this first and branching, then branch. These are parallel running. This is parallel, and then it's joining together, right? So different between the Apache Airflow and other workflow management. So DAG is basically direct acyclic graph, means it's going forward, it's not coming back. Written into Python language, which has lower learning curve and widely used for less technically savvy. Airflow has huge community contributing to its why Airflow is more versatile, expressive, and capable, creating extremely complex. Airflow API richer and UI has been deemed by better management. One of the key difference feature Airflow is the use of templating, replace variable and expression with the values when the template get reduced. So basically, Airflow has used community support. Again, Airflow more versatile. Airflow API is richer. So considering these things, and Google also has a Google Composer. And so here is the example. I have started my Airflow. So this is my Airflow. You can see here. So this is Airflow. You go Airflow. Then they have different DAGs. Then data profiling, ad hoc query, browsers, admin, docs. You can go GitHub. You can go documentation and know about the version, which version we are using. So 1.10.12, and also document, websites, Airflow. You can go here. So I just started, guys. So you guys can learn, and I'm coming with the next lecture and explore the Airflow more in details. So please like and subscribe my channel.